today I'm gonna talk about, well, at least maybe not today, because I could be posting multiple videos and saying it, but whatever. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to get lots of views, how to get lots of upload views and lots of channel views on YouTube. Here's how to do it. You could waste time doing some mashups, getting some copyright content of a video game, TV show, or movie, or some other visual media shit. And you could like make a music video out of it, or make a sport remix of it, or make a collage out of it. And you could try doing that, try struggling to get the views. I mean, the most people usually make on those videos is 1 million views. I don't want to teach you how to get like a couple million views to maybe in the 100,000s, maybe even in the million. I mean, maybe even in the billions. I mean, a couple million to 100 millions to maybe even a couple billions. Anyways, one thing you could do is you can film your kids, with their permission of course, doing something appropriate. Like them saying something stupid or funny, or you could get the kids doing something funny like they're just laughing at whatever. You have all these videos on YouTube to get over 100 million views of their kids just laughing. Just laughing. It doesn't even matter what they're laughing at. I mean, look at how many views Charlie Bit Me got, and the whole baby laughing, and the twin babies laughing, and I want to kick his ass, or video, or the little girl, she said I want to kick his ass. I guess well, she was trying to say ass, but I guess technically she was saying ask, like ask a question. But you can get a lot of views on those videos. Also, like I do now, you can, sorry I'm rubbing my face up my head a lot, you can be a vlogger, you can post videos about you talking about shit like the world issues, politics, religion, moral beliefs, philosophy, stuff like that. You can post videos of that. Also, if you're a celebrity, you post your music videos, but you can become a celebrity just by being your normal self. Like, you heard of that Vasquez girl that sang Adele, Rolling in the Deep? She got like 100 million views last time I checked, I believe. So anyways, you could be like her. You could get a camera, get a tripod like I have right now, spend a couple dollars on some instruments, get a microphone, maybe just a couple other things, and start singing a song. Even if you're not that good at it, maybe you'll get a lot of views. And how else do we get a lot of views on YouTube? You can post your own cartoons. If you got Flash animation, you can make your own animations. Like, have you heard the duck song? And he waddle away, and he waddle, you know, that video, and the duck says, hey, got any grapes? You know? Hey, got any grapes? You know, he kept asking kept asking people if they had any fucking grapes, and they obviously didn't, and even though they kept telling him he didn't, he kept asking them. You can make your animations, and you can post them on YouTube. Of course, what I was saying earlier is you can also get some views posting some copyright content, mash it up a bit, but that doesn't get you too many views, so I wouldn't recommend it. And always remember, if you're posting a fair use copyright video, like you're just making a music video of some visual media, I'll say that from now on to mean video games, TV shows, movies, then make sure you go to this video in the description, copy and paste the copyright disclaimer about this big, and when you first post a video, put that in so it doesn't get blocked if you like use a song or anything. Going back to those kids videos, you post a video if you're like your kids are eating and it get all messy, or your kids, come on, what do kids do? Why would I not know what kids do? I was a kid. Maybe your kid was playing with toys, he's building a tower out of Lego bricks, and then all of a sudden the tower falls down. Maybe you can make a video of that. Anyways, I should do a video of something cool, like how to make this, how do I make this, how to make, like, have you seen those Mentos, Dr. Pepper, Diet Dr. Pepper, whatever videos where someone puts some Mentos and some Dr. Pepper and that just all fizz over the top like vinegar and baking soda? You can make a video like that. How to make something happen. How to make a flamethrower. Well, maybe you can't make those how to make a flamethrower videos. Maybe that's against the rules, since it's kind of a dangerous act, but they're on YouTube anyway. They can't catch all the videos that are against the rules, but how to make something. Or you could do a video of something cool happening, like cool skateboard tricks, or drawing, how to draw this, or folding origami, like folding a paper crane. Those are like, that's like the most famous, stereotypical, cliche, hard thing to build, to fold with origamis, making a paper crane. How do you make that bird? Show me that bird. Yeah. You can, oh, how could I forget? You can do playthroughs, video game playthroughs. Show people that you're a true gamer. It's like, true gamer, kick ass. All these bad guys and Call of Duty, I just blow them away. Yeah, I'm a gamer. Yeah, I'm a gamer. You know, you play some popular games, maybe even play some unpopular games. Show the world games that aren't shown too much and need to be shown. Do that. Do that. And don't forget to make comments. Make comments under people's videos. They'll come to your channel if you most likely make some good comments. Most likely they'll come to your channel if you make some good comments. Keep typing comments. Make a lot of them. Make them good. Like, make a comment that has something to say to the world. Like, don't just say something like, oh, actually, you can say some pretty stupid comments. Like, you could say, the dislike bar looks like a lightsaber. You can make some dislike jokes. You can say, thumbs up if Justin Bieber sucks dick, or something like that. You can make a comment like that, and that might give you some thumbs up, but make a truly inspirational comment that says something about philosophy or how people should act. Make a comment like that, and that'll get you some views. And yeah, my head aches right here for some reason. Yeah, go to videos and comment, go to people's channels and comment. Don't most likely visit your channel and comment. Hopefully it'll be something positive. Say something positive to them and they will probably say something positive to you. Yeah, so do that. Get those views. And this is I Speak My Mind, signing off.